Chair makes little farty noises, so if you hear anything, it's not me. Hey guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. My name is Miley. If you are new here, I do a new DIY video every single week. And this week I am in my kitchen, not because I'm doing a cooking video. Trust me, nobody wants to see that. But I'm in here because I'm going to be trying out candle making. So let me go over what I have here because there's a lot. This is the main kit right here that I'm going to be using / reviewing for my candle making adventures. It's the Pebble and Stem Serene candle making kit. And because I plan on making a crap ton of candles today, I also got this kit just for the additional wax. And then because I also wasn't sure how much of this kit I was gonna go through, I went out and got the wax you use for wax warmers because I heard you can use these to color your wax. And also they have a scent. And then I also got some additional essential oil things for these scents so that I can kind of mix and match and, I don't know, make a frankincense. Yeah, a bit of candle puns. I'm going to set this kit aside and let's unbox this kit. This is my first unboxing video. This is so exciting. How do I, okay, this thing just pops open. Natural soy wax. Money back guaranteed. Dude, you win? What do I win? Tea light candle holder? I never win anything. That's so cool. Well, I'll figure out how to redeem this later because I'm definitely getting that. And then we've got how to make your soy wax candles. We're gonna need that. I'm usually bad at reading instructions, but I really have no idea what I'm doing. What's in the envelope? But she's like, excuse me, when you're done with that box, I want to sit in it. Okay, what is this? Warning labels. Yeah, we need that because I'm a child. So far, feels very high-end, like a high-end kit. Packaging, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Okay, and then we've got natural soy wax. And looks like we have a lot of these. It comes with 5 bags. Bonnie, you're really getting in the way, sweet girl. I think we should move you, okay? This is not me neglecting you. This is not me saying I don't want to hang out later, because I do. I want our cuddle time later, but I think I gotta put you on the ground. I love you. This isn't wax. I don't know what this is. Okay, this is like wicks and stuff. Wow, the packaging, it comes with like these nice canvas little bags. That's so exciting. Oh my goodness. What's in here? Okay, these are like the tins. I knew this came with tins. Oh my gosh, there's a tin inside this tin. It's like a Russian doll. There's another tin. It just keeps going. This is exciting. Okay, this has to be the last one, right? Oh my gosh, okay. Wait, hold on. Hold the phone. Oh. Look at how mini it is. That's the cutest little candle I ever did see. Well, it's not a candle yet, but like tiniest little container I ever did see. Oh, and it looks like we have, my hand is, okay, there we go. So we have 8 of these like gold tin things. This kit just keeps going. There's so many fun goodies in here. If you like candles, I highly recommend this right now. So far, I'm really liking this. Ooh, this is fancy. It looks like we have a thermometer. So far, this is really fun. It's like Christmas Day. Okay, these are the cinnamon roasted pear. Does it smell like that? It doesn't really smell like anything. Is it supposed to smell like something? Maybe it's just for the color. Maybe I should continue opening it and then read the instructions. Okay, here's the scent. So it looks like you can pair this with like the scent and the color together. That makes sense. And then what's this? We got another little canvas bag thing. What is this? Ooh, it's like a second tin thing, but it's like a pretty one. I think this is where you like melt the wax. Yeah. Okay, empty box. This is for Bonnie now. Welcome to the creative world of candle making. Yes. This guide will help you create scented candles that will bring joy, inspiration, and calm to your home or workplace. Great. Why soy wax candles? To make soy wax, oil is extracted from soybeans, making sustainable, renewable, and carbon, blah, 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 blah. Not only do soy wax candles look and smell beautiful, they're also made from natural ingredients with minimal environmental impact. We like that. That's cool. That's dope. I'm really bad about reading instructions. I can't believe I'm actually like sitting here reading through these. Usually I just kind of like go for it. Okay, step-by-step instructions. Please read through all of the instructions before you start. We want to help you get the best results from your candle making experience and ensure that you and all your family stay safe. Children should be supervised by a responsible adult at all times. Now, let's get started on your creation. My only question is where is my adult? I need to be supervised. Additional equipment required, as well as all the contents for your serene soy wax candle making kit. How many times by the end of this video am I going to say soy wax candle? But you will need a stovetop. Boom, got that right over there. A medium-sized saucepan, and then sharp scissors or nail clippers. I'll be right back. Okay, saucepan and scissors. Choose 1 bottle of fragrance oil. Mango and coconut milk. Which one did I like the best? I don't remember. That one's nice, clean scented, cinnamon and roasted pear. Yeah, I like cinnamon and I like roasted pears, so I'm gonna start with that one. Choose the wax coloring. Choosing a wax coloring block, we have matched the colors to the fragrance oils. If you don't want to add color, your candle will be a beautiful natural color. Cinnamon and roasted pear. Oh yeah, that'll be pretty. Okay, I'll stick with the pairings that they already set for me. We've made it easy for you. Add 1 bag of wax and 1 block of coloring to the melting pot. Coloring block. In. Okay, so just the whole bag. Okay. Ah, serene already. Cool. In the instructions, they lay out everything in accordance to the tins that they've provided for you. So I'm gonna first use their tins since I'm never done this before, and then I'm gonna try using my own containers later. I'm gonna use this one, the pretty gift one. Take a stickum and just stick it to the bottom. Oops, that is, oh gosh, that's not center. It's supposed to be, I think, in the center. We're not doing well right now. Okay, great. Let's try to get this nice and centered. This is the 10-ounce tin, so I'm gonna take the 10-ounce wick, stick it to the stickum thingy-ma-winger. Heat water. Fill the saucepan with water and place it on the stove. Place the melting pot in the saucepan. Okay, let's go boil some water. Hey, I am back with some hot wax. I feel like I have to work fast. I don't know why. Okay, now I need a little stirry stick. Okay, and stir slowly for 2 minutes. Been 2 minutes, I'm gonna stick that right there. Okay, cool. And I think this is cool enough now. Okay, now we just pour, it looks like. Okay, now I'm going to, oh, that is hot. That is very hot. I am going to very carefully slide this over here. Okay, I'm gonna now try one of my own jars. Let's see if we can do this. I'm just gonna start going for it. Just go for it. Maybe I should get just a few containers ready so that if that fills up all the way. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I'm gonna make a lot of wax for this one. I am just making this up now. Toss a few of those in and I'm gonna go heat this up. I'll be right back. Heated up a bunch of wax and now I'm gonna use one of my own scents that I got, even though the wax I put in there was kind of scented already. We're just gonna combine some stuff. Okay, so I am all out of wax. I made a crap ton of candles. I have 12 here and one of them is a really big one. And although I did make a lot of candles, I really anticipated that wax getting me a lot further than it did. I thought I was going to be able to fill up all of my empty containers. And clearly that did not happen. But I now have to let these candles sit for 48 hours. So I am going to come back in 48 hours, clip all the wicks, do a light test, a smell test, and just an overall final review on candle making. Okay guys, it has been 48 hours that I have let these candles sit and I just took off all of the wick holders and then the instructions say to clip the wicks down so they're about a ½ inch from the top of where the wax starts. So I also went ahead and did that. And now it is time to do my final review on candle making and this kit. Okay, first thing right off the bat, I have to do just a big old warning for you guys. If you're like me and you want to make a bunch of candles with a bunch of different scents going on, make sure you have windows open, fans going, you're in a well-ventilated area, maybe wear a respirator mask because I love candles, but I'm pretty sensitive to a bunch of different scents going on and I ended up getting really sick, crazy migraine, all that stuff. So that's just something to take into consideration. Okay, we got that out of the way. These candles over here are from my own concoction of stuff that I just purchased, and then these are straight up just from the kit. So first thing off the bat, red wax and white wax. Make a pink candle. Why I didn't think about that, I have no idea. I really thought this candle was gonna be red, but then as it started to cool down, it was this bright Pepto-Bismol pink. Luckily, it smells freaking delicious. It's apple cider and clove. So that's like a scent that is right up my alley. I just don't like that it's pink. And then I have 4 of these candles, and this is, what is this? This is humidor and cedarwood, which is another scent that's like right up my alley. If a candle embodies the smell of either a cigar bar or a coffee shop, I most likely like it. Okay, so now I have the candles that are from the kit, and I followed the kit to a T. I matched the color with the scent that they recommend. So we have cinnamon and pear. One, love the color, this like really pretty brown color. It smells really good. I'm not usually a fruity person, but I think the cinnamon and the pear kind of still gives me that warm scent that I personally like. And then we have lime and basil. I didn't think I was gonna like this green color, but it's actually so much fun. So it reminds me of an avocado, so I like it. And then this one is a mango something. I'm gonna have to look it up and put it on the screen because I don't remember. Again, I do not like fruity scented candles, but this actually smells really, really good. Okay, so now let's get to, is this kit worth it? Personally, I don't think this kit is necessary if you're like me and you already have a bunch of containers saved up that you want to use and make candles in. I think you can just get a more basic kit like the other kit that I got that comes with a melting pot, some wax, and some wicks. And then you can just go out to Walmart, Target, some other stores that carry essential oils or the wax for wax melts and use those to scent your candles. But overall, I think no matter what way you go with your candle making, whether you get a basic kit and then go get some essential oils, or if you get a kit like this, I think overall candle making is definitely worth it. It's super easy, it's super fun, and also it's way cheaper to make candles versus just going out and buying candles. And I like that I get to continue to use my favorite decorative candle jars. And those are my final takeaways on my candle making experience. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see me do another kit review, there's so many craft kits, home decor kits out there. I won't even know where to start. But if you want to see me do another kit review, let me know in the comments down below. As always, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys next week. Bye, guys.